What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Drones Flight Academy. Today, we're talking about a product that I think that some of you could really use for the Matrice 30 and 30T Enterprise, and that is this GPC case. GPC has made exceptional products for many, many years. We've been fans of GPC throughout the years. And I gotta say, now this case right here will work really well for certain customers. What do I mean by that? Well, the factory case that comes with the Matrice 30 and 30T is actually better than I was actually anticipating. The only drawbacks to that case is that there's not room for a second controller. That's the big thing. And if you have a separate accessory like the LP12 loudspeaker, they're gonna have that in a separate case. And then the third thing is there's really only room for 3 sets of batteries in that case. 4 batteries for 4 slots, and then you can have 2 on the aircraft for a total of 3 pairs. With the GPC case here, we have up to 6 slots here for batteries, and we have 2 that we can keep on the aircraft. So we can actually have 4 sets of batteries combined with the combination of using the LP12 or any different type of accessory. We also have dedicated spots for the WB37 remote controller batteries, where the stock case does not have a dedicated section for those batteries. We also have a lot of extra room for cables, tools, accessories that we can put in here. And the case is not that much bigger than the standard case that comes with the Matrice 30. So if you're somebody that's about to buy this or even has their own Matrice 30 already, and you're going to want to use a second controller, you want something for extra batteries and an LP12 loudspeaker combination or any kind of accessory that you're going to be using, I really highly recommend this. This is something that we are going to be selling. We're carrying it on our website. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at our support email or put them down in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet, please help us grow the channel. Hit the subscribe button so we can bring you more fresh content more frequently. Thanks for watching.
Steel City Drone Flight Academy offers the most comprehensive on-site commercial remote pilot training program in the United States. Our team of professional drone instructors has more than 30 years of combined experience and have trained more than 1,000 students to fly drones commercially. We offer on-site training anywhere in the United States.
Dave King from Steel City Drones is a pioneer in the drone industry and is one of the most experienced remote pilots with more than 18,000 logged flights and over 10 years of flying experience. After working with more than 800 clients, Dave has taken everything that he has learned and incorporated it into Steel City Drones training program to prepare you to be the best commercial pilot possible.
Our most popular training package is a 4-day commercial program. Day 1, it's an introduction to drones day, an introduction to flying day, equipment familiarization. Day 2 is all-day flying. It's our advanced flying. You learn up to 15 different practice exercises. You learn how to fly manually without any automation, and you're going to be amazed by the things that you can do by the end of the day. The 3rd day is what we call Advanced Ground School. We teach you everything that the Part 107 test does not. And that's going to be everything, nuts and bolts from a theory standpoint on how to be able to do flight missions. Everything from flight planning, risk assessments, to wireless communications, how to use visual observers, all the resource management from a theory standpoint. If you want to really sharpen up how to fly drones commercially and professionally, this is a day that you cannot miss. The 4th day is a commercial applications day, where we're taking the first 3 days, putting it all together, and we're doing simulated training missions that you would normally do for commercial flying. Inspection work, mapping, or they could be search and rescue, monitoring, a lot of different ways that we can go with that tactical day. Depends on who is in the group and what they want to be able to do. They are completely customizable.
We also offer everything from one-day introduction classes to 7-day train-the-trainer programs tailor-made to your specific needs.
What sets us apart from other training schools is that we teach you how to fly manually without any automation so that you're prepared to respond to the worst type of situation a pilot can experience.
Steel City Drones offers small groups of up to 6 participants per instructor so that each student gets sufficient one-on-one instruction.
I'm Detective Brent Dukes with Jackson Police Department. The thing I like most about Steel City Drones on-site training was that all the way from the setup, the most basic parts of the setup of the drone and the equipment, having an expert right there with us to answer any questions we had was so helpful. They offered a comprehensive package including equipment recommendations, training, certification, study guides, everything that we needed to implement this drone and into our department, they provided. Some of the training that we got on site was flight planning, emergency drone recovery, should the worst case happen, dual flights with 2 controllers, one operator controlling the drone itself, the other controlling the camera. I would say that as sophisticated of a piece of equipment as this is, it's only as good as the operator who is running it, and the operator is only as good as the training they've received. Because there's no way that I would have figured out some of the capabilities of this equipment had I not had David on site as an expert. I'm pretty capable with this type of equipment. I'm pretty savvy with technology, but there are things that I learned about this because David was there to answer questions in real time that I never would have learned on my own or even with the other members of my department who were flying with me. If I didn't have his expertise in real time, there's just capabilities that I would be completely missing out on.
My name is Robert Warrington. I'm the budget analyst at the State Training School in Eldora, Iowa. Working with Dave was fantastic. He gave us great guidance on what to look for and kind of his insights and what would really help for our kind of mission that we have here. And by building this, I think it's going to help the school accomplish what we're looking for.
For more information about Steel City Drones training services, please visit our website at steelcityflightacademy.com.